Well, I was finally able to break this guy loose. The drain plug in the upper chamber. I still got the one in the lower chamber here that I can't get off. But that'll be next. But at least using breaker bar converter to go from 3/8 to 1/4 inch, so I could get as much leverage as I could on this guy because it was long. So unfortunately, there wasn't too much leverage. Now this should drain pretty fluidly. Let's see. $20. Crazy. I should say a bunch of it dumped out while I was getting the bracket off too. I took the bracket off, and when I was doing that, I tilted it, and I guess it came out because when I put the diaphragm back, I didn't put the actual diaphragm back in there. It has bolts in it now. I should probably make sure that I'm not getting fucked up doing that. And I got to run this pump with the impact driver here. So I'm going to put this down for a moment and reposition the diaphragm and get the impact driver ready.